what's inside. A unicorn. It comes with some glittery poop. There's 72 boo-boo corns. And let's see what his name is. Or her name is. Her name is Sophia.
Sophia. Hi.
And
hi, King. My name is Sophia.
And
some attack.
Let's open the boo-boo corn.
And a reusable egg. Fly, 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 fly.
There, I got it.
A boo-boo corn.
My stamp boo-boo corn. Look, it can go off the stamp and back on the stamp. Aw, it's so cute.
Cool.
It's a tiny little
unicorn. Take the sticker off to see. Let's take the sticker off to see what's on what she likes.
Wait, but look. Let's see what I got. Which boo-boo corn I got. Oh, I got the pink boo-boo unicorn.
Wow. Let's
see
unwrap.
what she likes. What do you think she likes?
I don't know.
I think she likes music.
She likes music.
Wait, come here. Look what you can do with the boo-boo corns. She has some tiny gold wings, a gold horn, and gold legs. Now let's see what the poop is. The glittery poop.
No. Make sure to show Aunt Juju. Make sure to show Keen this video.
And look at this.
That's what the stamp is.
A poop. The stamp is a poop. And you can
make sure to show Aunt Juju. Make sure to show Keen.
The boo-boo corn, and you can put the boo-boo corn back on top